to have an open mind and really allow yourself to look at things a little bit differently. Don't get too caught up in the mundane. You know, everything is magic. You just have to realize that it's magic and open your heart a little bit and just let a little bit of magic in.
Is that too much to ask?
Right? Like, apparently it is.
Yeah. Yeah, it certainly can be. Oh man, this KJ. Look at this.
You are enough. You have enough. Art doesn't require more. Art requires you. Art requires your attention. Art requires your creativity. That's all.
Oh, this is exactly the kind of outfit I like to shoot. Like, you just brought it.
KJ Shell. An interesting fact about me is my parents weren't at my conception. I was conceived in a lab in a petri dish in a different state than my parents. And that's a little fun fact. I'm an IVF baby, and I'm an only child.
Wow. Did that alter your kind of self-identity, or did that affect you in any way that you've noticed?
I definitely think that it was very much, I was super wanted, and that was great, right? My parents, they couldn't really have kids until I always say they hired scientists to create me, so I'm lab created. That's my little claim to fame, but they always told me how wanted I was and that they just loved me so much. Fun fact, my grandfather thought I was an alien. Up until the day he died, he didn't think I was human because of how I was conceived. And he would tell people that, which was very interesting. But I am in fact human, so yeah.
Let's switch it up. Yeah, let's do it. We killed that.
Look for the light. The light tells you what you need to do and where you need to do it. Look for the light.
Feeds your soul. Art is so important. It shows you that anything can be art. It shows you that you can create. It doesn't have to be for anyone else other than yourself. Art, you can just do what makes you happy, and it's so important. Everyone needs art in their life, whether they know it or not. Just go to a museum, look at something that makes you feel something, you know, just create, doodle, paint, draw, throw up on a canvas, whatever you want to call art, you can make it art, and just feed your soul. Adventure can be going to the grocery store with a new perspective. Adventure can be going for a walk in the park. Adventure, to me, is just experience and perspective. A little bit different perspective than what you normally would be. Going to Starbucks or a new coffee shop, that's an adventure. Walking your dog in a new area or on the same street as you always do, that's an adventure. Adventure is all about perspective. I don't think I'm afraid of anything. This past year, I've lost a lot of people that have been really close to me. I used to be so afraid of death, but I personally think it's just the next chapter. I'm afraid of seeing things horrific, like my dog get hit by a car. I don't want to see that. But picturing it, I witness it in my mind, so I just saw it, you know, like. I'm afraid that humankind won't make it. I'm afraid that greed and corruption will take over and that we won't be able to recover from it. But I don't think that's gonna happen. I think there's too many people in the world that are fighting so hard against it, and eventually everyone dies and a new leaf is turned over. And I'm excited for that. Everything is inspiring if you just open your eyes and your heart and your minds a little bit. The trees, just what humans have done, science, tech, all of it is inspiring. But again, it goes back to perspective. Happiness is a choice. You decide to be happy, and you're the only one that can make yourself happy. You might be having a bad day. You might be, going through it, right? Everyone goes through it, but you need to recognize that you can choose to be happy. And there is no happiness without suffering, right? Like everything is suffering, but you can change how you look at things, and You know, some days I have a really hard time, but I look at my dogs or go out for a walk and look at the flowers, and I experience that little shred of joy that makes me happy and just forget about my problems.